Construction work at Camp Nou continues to progress steadily. Major structural elements are moving toward completion, interior areas are developing, and exterior features are gradually transforming the stadium's overall appearance. This update presents the current construction status at Camp Nou, focusing on ongoing work and recent developments during this phase of the project. The second cantilever remains a key structural zone where the third tier is taking its final form. The width and depth of the cantilever clearly show the scale of the stadium expansion. Super pillars along the lateral side are still surrounded by scaffolding, indicating ongoing work on their upper concrete sections. Most lower and mid-level concreting is already completed, with remaining work concentrated near the top, aligned with future compression ring installation. The first pillar of the compression ring now stands in position, signaling the true beginning of the structure that will support and shape the future roof of the stadium. And from close range, its engineering power is impossible to ignore as the platform, ring connection, and supporting elements work together to hold it firmly in place, giving the entire structure a monumental presence that feels solid, precise, and powerful, and marking the start of one of the most ambitious and exciting phases of the project. Facade installation using ceramic louvres continues along the lateral and southern sections. The blue and maroon panels are expanding steadily, closing previously open structural zones. Lower levels emphasize maroon tones, while blue becomes more prominent at higher elevations, creating the intended visual gradient. Work continues inside the VIP ring at level. Structural floors are prepared, and interior spaces are being shaped for future VIP lounges and hospitality areas. Glass profiles are now visible in several lateral sections, indicating progress toward enclosure. Machinery and construction materials remain distributed throughout the corridor, showing active interior development. This ring is a crucial revenue-generating zone and is progressing in parallel with exterior works. In the north stand, interior access areas are being prepared for increased capacity. Temporary barriers have been removed in certain zones, and circulation paths are becoming more defined. Prefabricated elements and materials are being staged near upper levels, indicating upcoming installation phases. Prefabricated seating continues to be installed primarily in the tribune area, where several rows are now visible. Additional seating units are being lifted and stored at height, especially near the north stand. This storage method strongly indicates imminent installation, allowing crews to work efficiently without repeated crane movements. Behind the ceramic panels, crews continue installing anchors and substructures. Multiple platforms are active along the facade, ensuring alignment and load distribution for upcoming panels. Southern sections are further advanced, with painted surfaces and completed backing structures visible. This concludes today's construction update. If you find these detailed stadium progress reports useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all upcoming developments, including structural milestones, facade installation, and roof system progress. More updates coming soon.